G'day guys, cabin filter on the 2014 Golf or similar. They've changed it here from the previous system where it was underneath. So it's a different filter to the previous generation. Now, these two push button things, 1, 2. Okay, catch the glove box on the stops here. Watch your fingers, because my finger just got jammed in there. That's the way they've engineered the car. I did both at once and did it straight away, but my right finger got jammed. This one, for some reason, is got more tension on it than that one. You can see there's some fuses back here too. So basically, you can see that this arm is for the light switch and has to go back into that sensor, into the switch. So you can see now, when I install it, see, you got to push on those levers and get it out. My finger's actually really sore from getting jammed. Now, with this cover, see this cover? You just pry. I used something very, very thin like this, okay, to do that, and use your hands or a secondary tool to get all three down and then pivot it off these little access points here. And the cabin filter's in there. Note the direction, okay, of the airflow is this way, down. Okay, so now I'm gonna do what I never do, which is reinstall it live, and it's done. So yeah, that's horrible. Horrible thing they've done, as usual. Might look simple, which it is, but no, they've engineered it to catch your finger in there. Just like they engineer their cars to fail. This car's had another gearbox in it, as per usual. So yeah, also he's had air conditioning faults and stuff like that. So they might look nice and use less fuel, but get ready to throw the car away after a matter of years. Okay, but yeah, nice concept, but it's all in here made to be really nice. But under the engine bay, things are designed to fail. And stuff like that. So just beware when you're buying these cars. You can see my previous videos for how bad these cars really are. This one is no exception. So that's the car there. See, regarding high performance Volkswagens, I mean, really? They make a Golf R, do they? They make a Golf R. And what would that be like? So, yeah, you think the models get better with time? No. What they do is completely change stuff. As you can see here, it's a Denso air conditioning system, which is probably a good thing. But there's some heavy revisions on this vehicle. I mean, they might all look the same, but they really, really muck around with the design of the engines and that, as in there seems to be no design DNA. When the oil filter's on top and at the bottom, then it's in the middle. I mean, it seems that they're constantly redoing the entire car, though the Golf is a #1 selling car. I strongly advise against it, because this one caught my finger. He's had another gearbox, and the air conditioning system has been giving him problems since new. Of course, they treated him like absolute crap, and that's the big one in Australia. Volkswagen will not look after you when you're in trouble, whether you're in warranty or not. Okay, I don't believe we have the technical resources in Australia to deal with the failures on these cars. Premature wearing brakes and stuff like that. Anyway, look, that's the pollen filter video. It's very hard for me to not add in honest truths of what goes on with these vehicles. I've just posting a video about the service reset, which is quite basic here. But yeah, it certainly won't be on the road like this thing in years to come, that's for sure. Look at this Pulsar 1998. Look at this, guys. I mean, yeah, it's been looked after, but you know, the quality on the new cars is shocking. So good luck with the pollen filter. Yeah, just keep to your maintenance schedules on the Golf. Don't exceed the service intervals at all, because they're quite extended as they are. Okay, bye.